We are August Dougherty and Lani Dougherty, and we have used Your Home Sold Guaranteed to buy our new house. The reason we bought a new house was we have an expanding family, and it just represented a dream house for us. We have 3 kids who are getting bigger and spaces at a premium, and so we thought we needed a home that would give our kids room to move around and be more comfortable. We found Your Home Sold Guaranteed through a good friend, Jay Chang. We met Jay through Jay's wife, who's been childhood friends with Lani since they were children. It was very easy. Every step of the way he explained it and made it simple to understand and logical and stress-free.
And even though it was our second time buying a home, the circumstances were different. So it almost seems like the very first time again. And Jay helped us through the entire process, explaining everything that came up that we weren't aware of or unfamiliar with, and explained it very well. With Jay's help, we were able to negotiate a lot of repairs that needed in the home so that it was move-in ready.
It means that we can have a home we can be proud of and grow old in, and eventually have a brighter future.
Also have our kids go to a better school district.
Overall, we are very happy and proud to have an association with Jay, who's helped us negotiate all of the complexities of buying a new home, and we would definitely recommend him as a realtor for any of our friends who are looking to buy a home in the future.
In fact, I have already recommended Your Home Sold Guaranteed to a couple of friends that I know that are either searching for homes or trying to sell their homes.